Hello would-be librarians, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be talking about a very important topic, that is online citation tools. This topic is not only useful for your UGC NET exam but also extremely practical for research and academic writing. So let's get started. Before we dive into online tools, let's understand what exactly is a citation. Citation is simply a reference to the source of information you have used in your research. It helps give credit to the original author and allows reader to trace the source of your information. For example, if you have used a book or an article in your paper, you must cite it properly. There are different citation styles like APA, MLA, Chicago, and Harvard. Each has its own set of rules for how references are written. Now let's talk about online citation tools. These are web-based or software tools that automatically generate citations and bibliographies for your references. They help you to organize and store references, generate citations in any style, and even share your bibliography with others. Many of these tools also integrate directly with browsers, Microsoft Word, or Google Docs, which makes research work very easier. Why are citation tools important for librarians and researchers? Here is why. They save a lot of time in reference management. They reduce citation errors, which is crucial in research papers. They promote research integrity and academic honesty. They also help in maintaining bibliographic control and metadata organization. And for librarians, these tools are very useful in reference services and information literacy programs. Let's look at some of the most popular citation tools you must know for UGC NET. First is Zotero. Zotero is free, open source, integrates with browsers and Word. Perfect for students. Mendeley. It is a reference manager and research collaboration tool, great for researchers. Third is EndNote. It is a professional paid tool used widely in universities. Fourth is Cite This For Me or EasyBib or BibMe. It is a simple online citation generator for quick references. Fifth is RefWorks. It is a web-based tool often provided through institutional subscriptions. Remember these names, they often appear in UGC NET questions. Let's quickly compare some key features. Zotero is free, 300 MB storage, integrates with Word and Google Docs. Mendeley is free plus paid versions, 2 GB storage, integrates with Word, great for researchers. EndNote is paid, unlimited storage, best for professional researchers. RefWorks are subscription-based cloud storage mainly used in academic libraries. Knowing these differences can help you choose the best tool for your own research. Most citation tools support popular styles like APA, that is American Psychological Association, MLA, that is Modern Language Association, Chicago, Harvard, IEEE or Vancouver styles. So no matter what subject you are working in, there is always a style to suit your field. So to sum it up, online citation tools make reference management simple and quick. They are essential for academic writing, library instruction, and research projects. Most importantly, they encourage ethical use of information and reduce plagiarism, which is something every researcher must aim for. I hope this video helped you understand online citation tools clearly. If you found it useful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow UGC NET aspirants, and subscribe to the channel for more such topics. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.